Good morning, everyone. Welcome, students. This is grade 12 psychology. So, we are going to do a continuation of psychotherapy, chapter 5 in your NCRT CBSE syllabus. So, now, chapter 5, we have completed the psychoanalytical perspective, cognitive perspective, humanistic perspective, cognitive perspective, also the two theories we have completed. So right now, the in the humanistic perspective, when we spoke about Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, added to that there is another continuity of humanistic. It is called as existential perspective of abnormality or of a psychological approach. Now, what is existential perspective? Existential perspective basically originated from the philosophical basis. What is the purpose of human life? What is the essence of existence? Why are we born? What is the purpose of life? By Viktor Franklin. He wrote a book called as Man's Search of Meaning, related to post traumatic stress disorder connected to the Vietnam War. So the prisoners of war during the Vietnam War, they had PTSD, post traumatic stress disorder. So existential, as the word says, existential. So what is the essence of existence, of our existence? What is the meaning of our life? So, in his book, he has written about man's search of meaning. Why are we born? And even if we are born, what have we done with our life? What is the essence of our life? So, it is up to us to make our life positive or negative. It is up to us based on our choices and about our past experiences that we make the correct decisions. Our life could either be hell or heaven. Then he talks about identity. He talks about what is our identity. So it is up to us how we form our identity. So existential perspective. Now, earlier humanistic perspective was separate, existential perspective was separate. Now humanistic existential perspective is connected as humanistic existential. Okay, understand that part? Is it clear? Right. Okay, now apart from that, now the next perspective I would like to talk about is the biological perspective. Now, what is the biological perspective in psychology? So, biological perspective is connected with our genetics, DNA, neurotransmitters, heredity factors. So, when we talk about the biological part of abnormality, this part the psychiatrist handles, he deals with it. The neurotransmitters part, the neurosurgeon performs brain surgery. So the psychiatrist and the neurosurgeon work hand in hand to do a lot of research on the biological perspective of abnormality. So simple biological perspective has to do with our heredity factors. If your parents have depression, there is a 50% chance even you can inherit it because it's in your bloodstream. Or if you are born with mental retardation, it is due to faulty genes. Okay, so because of that faulty chromosomes, faulty genetics, this part, the biological perspective comes in. It has nothing to do with the upbringing, it has nothing to do with the environmental factors. Right? Clear? So now today we have completed two perspectives: existential perspective, that is an add-on of the humanistic perspective, and the biological perspective. Thank you.